Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to create an area chart from a given dataset. So here you can see I have an area chart already created. I will create exactly the same and identical chart for you. So first of all, we have to know what is the data about, and it's revenue per month for product A and product B. Let's select the whole data and then go to top insert option and then recommended charts and charts and finally area chart, and then click on area chart, the first one, and then click OK. See that we have identical chart to this one. Now click on the orange, not orange, the yellow, orange, whatever color, and then right click on series. When we see the window in the right side, then click on the file, fill and line option, and then click on solid field. Then change the color to orange. Well, it was orange, yes, and then we can adjust the transparency of the area. Similarly, we can select the blue color here and then go to the fill and line option, solid field, change the color to blue and adjust the transparency accordingly. So we can see that both of the charts are identical. Now click on the line in the chart and delete it. The line is gone. Now we can change the chart name to revenue per month. And also if we want to name the axis, then click the axis here in the right side and then go to design and then quick layout, sorry, not the quick layout, add chart element, title axis, see where to add the axis, select the second one, then I can see that the axis title is here and I can name it as amount. So this is how we can create an area chart. Thanks everyone.